96 here with Dr. PieSafe, and we are going to play Mario Sports Mix.
Do you hear me whispering?
Yes. You were saying, shh. Okay, so basically,
Hi. Yeah, I have all those gems.
there's only one that
Okay, what should we do? I gotta have to hold it. How do we hold it? Oh, like this.
Let's play some dodgeball.
Okay, sweet. Okay.
Then we can play some hockey if you want.
Yeah,
Because that's Bowser style.
Co-op. Co-op. Let's do 3 and 3.
Let's have Bowser to shoot. Oh, we're having slime. Let's have the bad guys on another team, right? Bowser team. And let's put one.
What?
Okay.
Pinball.
Yeah, I love this one.
We always kept on running into it and scoring. Do we even get extra points for doing that? Boom.
We haven't played this game in a long time.
We haven't played the Wii in a long time.
Well, me and Michael, you haven't. I did.
So, oh, slime. Pass it. Yeah. I forgot how to catch it. One?
It's two.
Okay, 2. Yeah. Take that. Don't hit it.
Boom.
Oh no, stop it. Wait, I forgot. Ooh, got how to catch it.
Don't worry, I got it.
Watch out. Oh, get it. Jack, do the power move.
Boosh.
Boosh. Ah, yes. Nice. Yeah, Jack, hey. Yeah. Half health. Jack, get out of the screen. You're almost in the screen. Go. What did we even power move? Oh, nice. Okay, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. You're
I pressed 1 and 2.
nice. What? I just jumped. Ah! This is so. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed. I usually don't miss those. I wonder if I was doing. Oh, it hit him? Okay, nice. Hit him. Watch out! Ow, you hit me in the face. Get it.
Yeah. Take that flag.
Go. Watch out! Oh, okay. I'll pass it to you. I don't. Make sure you don't go on the screen, Jack. Jack. Good one. Jack, get it.
Don't worry.
Should I get one out or should I pass it?
Pass it.
Oops. Okay, I got him out anyway. Sorry.
It's okay.
Mario's elf ears like Waluigi. Never noticed that. I think we're going to be getting more Mario plush.
Yeah.
Or Sonic one.
Watch out.
Ah! It hit me. That did so much damage. Okay. Go. Okay, hit him. No! What? Am I the only one?
Yes.
We're playing a game. Yeah.
I'm on the roll.
Oh,
Come on, son.
ow! Jack, save me! Throw it. Whoa. That's good sound. Jack, power move. Gosh, pass it! Pass it!
Yeah.
Run! I missed. Oh, you got me out!
Door.
Jack, power move, power move. Come on, power move. Go, go, go. Yeah. Okay.
So we usually win.
Oh, we're playing on hard mode.
Oh,
That's why we lost.
yeah.
We usually just play on normal.
And we are. And it's because we haven't played this game in a long time.
Got it. Take this. Ow, got hit. Hey, hey. Ah! No slime. Don't worry. Take this, Junior.
Flip.
I keep on jumping for some reason. Whoa. No. Jump. I've got. Oh, one. Yeah. Hey. Hey, Mario. Yeah, you Bowser instead. Help me.
Oh.
Yeah. We need to hit Wario. Should I hit Wario?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed that one. Oh man, I hit Bowser Jr. Bowser Jr. sacrificed himself. That's it. Yeah. You're still at full health? Ow! I'm out. Don't worry. Pass it. I'm good at hitting him when I'm out. Pass it. Watch this. Unexpected! Just kidding. Yes! Got him out. Okay. Now we just have to hit Wario. Help me!
Don't worry, I
Nobody
can.
comes in there because he hit me, right? I think that's how it goes. Yeah, pass it. Oh no! Jerk bud, he's a really good smoke bomb attack.
I know.
That was close. Oh, what?
What?
How did you get out? Okay, Jack, we have a bomb. Okay, Jack, use the bomb. Hey! Yeah! I'm back in, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's hope we get Wario out. Got him! Okay.
This
You
is
have to
the-
wait till we start running. Okay.
This is the third round.
So whoever wins this basically wins.
We gotta win this.
Oh, gosh, Bowser Jr. got it. God! Stupid! Mario! Oh, we forgot a fake throw.
Oh, you undo this.
Oh man! Okay. Whoa! Wait, no, don't do it yet! I just wasted that chance. Do it! Whoa! What?
Do it.
Yeah! I just did half damage again. Yeah, I got it. And now,
Why do you never let me use my power?
well, because it doesn't work for you. Oh, I hit Wario. I was aiming for Junior. I can deal with that. Oh, get it! Oh, I. No, why didn't he pass it? Oh, get it! Get it! It's still ours. Whoa! Hit it, Bowser! Hit it, Bowser! Hit it, Bowser! Oh, come on! Yeah, that's right. Don't worry. Come on, hit him.
Yeah.
Okay, should I use my power or should
Can I
use
do it?
Okay, click. Okay, now click one. Oh, shoot. Okay, now do it. You don't want to run. Hey. Ah. Oh, slime. Okay, I guess we're just going to have to get him out by ourselves. Check. Oh, I use it. I don't.
Oh.
Yeah! One hit. That's right. Heal. One and two next time. Jack. Get it. Jack, get it.
I pressed 2.
Oh. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to get Bowser out with this tiny one. No! Feel the new. Bowser Jr. didn't catch it in time. That was close. This is take. Oh god, that was painful. We just started sliding. That was funny. Yeah. Now we just have to get Wario.
Can I do this?
Yeah. No. Sure. Yeah. That's right.
So we won this?
Yep.
Wait, don't. Want to do it some more?
I was just zooming out a little bit.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay. That was close.
Yeah.
Usually don't lose.
We were so
Funny.
Okay,
Let's play basketball.
Yeah.
Let's play a normal world this time. Hard one takes too long.
Yo, yeah, Donkey Kong this.
What?
Auntie,
What?
we have to eat.
Okay, well.